Oh, Jesus. God, I hope it don't rain. Look like it. Oh, shit. I almost fell. I would have been pissed. It looks like it might rain, but it ain't supposed to rain till like 7-ish. So we might be fine. I hope we're fine. If not, we're going to be riding in the rain. And that's not very cash money. What is going on, guys? It's CSB TV. And I'm back. And I'm going to ride and hopefully not getting rained on, because it doesn't look very good out there. Ooh, look at the little puffball. That's what I mean. Yeah, we beating them. Oh, that's so much fun. God, I love hunkering down in here. I have no idea what we're doing. I really wanted to get out, because it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. And today, but it hasn't so far. And we're hoping that holds off. It'd be pretty cash money if it hung up. Oh, today, Junior, if it held off. Bro, I'm so surprised I haven't got pulled over yet. I've had this bike almost 2 weeks. I don't have a license plate for it because, I got the little tip tag, but that's gonna rip with wind or rain or anything. So I just got it underneath my seat. I haven't passed but about 3 cops today. I've waved at all of them and stuff, so I guess I don't know. In their head, I'm Gucci family. I didn't really want to turn, but I guess I'm turning. We're gonna go, buddy, cause they got a red light. Past his ass. Woot woot. Good thing I didn't go in there. There's still a bunch of people there. I want to see what's up this way though. I've been wanting to for a few weeks. Ever since my girlfriend pointed it up. I've wanted to know what was up this way. So we're figuring out today. So I know right there is the school, obviously. So what is this straightaway? We shall see. No through trucks. 35 miles an hour. Pretty slow. Ooh, a bump. Bump. Speed limit might be 35, but I don't think I'm gonna go 35. It's a little slow for my liking. Look at what a tattoo that is. Nice. Nice. Oh. Oh, the last part snuck up on me. I thought it was gonna be a big old jump right in that fucking turn. Scared me. Ooh, these houses are nice, bro. Nice, dog. I've never been up this way. It's not a bad little road. Ooh, look at that big old hairy gravel right there, right in the middle of that turn. I had to slow down just to show you guys. You probably couldn't even see it though, so it doesn't really matter. He was just saying he had to slow down because he was scared of the turn. A little bit. Just a little bit. I'm always afraid of turns on new roads. Don't know how steep they are, and damn sure don't want to drop my bike. That wouldn't be very cash money. It costs a lot of cash money to fix. Probably not. I got insurance. Full coverage. Woo woo. Jesus Christ, this is a long turn. Do I know where I'm at? I feel like I'm at. Then again, I feel like I don't. I feel like I'm gonna get lost. I don't think we're in Richmond anymore, Toto. Is that his name, Toto? Purple? Blue? I don't know. Is this a stop sign for me? I'm not sure. Let's take a right. If it ain't right, it's left, you know what I'm saying? Cheddar Hill Drive. Cedar Hill Drive, you retard. Why can't you read? Dead end, no outlet. Wrong way. You picked the wrong turn, sir. And now I'm just gonna be on somebody's property. So, let's just turn around. Am I going to have somebody's turn? Oh. Either way, we're turning around. Look, there's gonna be a big old car just come around that turn, 45 miles an hour, and you got my little motor scooter right here turning around. Jesus Christ, I keep doing that. I need to stop it. Stop it! Oh, rabbit. Oh, Jesus Christ. This was a wrong turn. Bro, what the fuck? Jesus Christ. Why put that there? Jesus. Oh. That's stupid. There should be a warning. I need to figure out where I'm at and how to get back without going up that freaking hill. God, that was stupid. That scared me. My bike was just all over the place, just rocking and rolling. Maybe if we follow this guy, he can lead me out. This was a nice ride before that. Shiznit. Oh, cows. I didn't even notice them until I was right there. Surely there's another way other than an old gravel road back there to get home. Hopefully this guy knows where he's going. I'm gonna follow him and hope that he does. God, I need to get all. Stop ahead. You stop. Oh, I'm so lost. Big old hairy turn. Oh, I like that part of this ride. They're gonna take another left. Should they? I don't know. I'm so confused. There's a bus coming and other stuff. Oh, I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at. Yes, I know. That is the road leading toward, that way leads towards Winchester. Now we hunker. Just for fun. God, I'm so smart. Found my way out. Didn't rain on me. I just had to get her out. You can't just not get your motorcycle out. You gotta take the risk of getting rain though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, basically. Bro, I need to pass these people. Oh, it's so slow! Jesus. Well, second adjustments, yes sir. And then slow down really quick. This dumbass in the bus don't know how to give a signal till he's right there. Oh, well. Bro, somebody got fucked up. How the fuck? Oh, Jesus, they got. God, those people got, dude. Absolutely wrecked. Like, I'm not making a joke about it, but they're gonna be sore in the morning. Oh, that was a fun little ride. Getting lost, getting scared on those gravels. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I gotta get in before it rains because getting rained on is not fun at all. But hope y'all enjoyed it. Links to my social media are in the description. If you stuck around, there's something you like, so you might as well subscribe. And as always, y'all have a good day and peace. I couldn't do the peace sign because I'm turning. What are you doing? kid doing? Shouldn't he be home? It's weird. I thought it was just like a short man walking. And no. Little kid. It's not very safe.